Hello friends, welcome to Tech07. In this JavaScript tutorial, we are diving into the world of web development by creating a fun and interactive math quiz game from scratch. Whether you are a beginner looking to sharpen your coding skills or an experienced developer exploring new projects, this tutorial is for you. Throughout this tutorial, we'll cover fundamental concepts of JavaScript programming while building a dynamic math quiz game that challenges users with arithmetic questions and tracks their scores. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of JavaScript fundamentals, including variables, functions, conditional statements, and event handling. So, let's get started on our journey to create an engaging math quiz game using JavaScript. As we conclude our JavaScript math quiz game tutorial, remember that mastery is a continual process of learning and growth. Embrace challenges as opportunities for refinement, and never cease your pursuit of knowledge and proficiency. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial adventure. Your dedication and perseverance are commendable, and we look forward to witnessing the remarkable creations you will bring to life in your coding endeavors. Wishing you continued success and fulfillment in your coding journey.